In this video, we are going to learn about CSS selectors. First, we will understand what is CSS selectors. CSS selector is a part of a CSS rule set that actually selects the content you want to style. These CSS selectors are used to apply the same CSS style for all elements of a HTML page, or else you can apply CSS style for a particular element, or else you can apply CSS style for a two or more elements of a HTML page. There are different type of CSS selectors we will get. First CSS selector is a universal selectors. In this video we will learn about a universal selector. In the next video I will explain second CSS selector. Universal selector is called as a wildcard character. This universal selector uses a symbol star. This star symbol used to apply universal selector means you can apply different properties for all elements of a HTML page. Whatever elements you have used in a HTML page, the same CSS style will be applied for all the elements of a HTML page. These all CSS selectors are written using internal CSS style. These CSS styles already we have learned in a previous videos. If you don't know, you can watch my previous video. Universal selector syntax is already we have understood what is the syntax of writing internal CSS style. First, this style tag should be written inside the head tag. Inside this style, star symbol has to be written. This star symbol means whatever elements you are using in a HTML page, you are applying same CSS attributes for all the elements of a HTML page. Whatever default elements are required for the program, that all I have written here. So now I am going to write a program here. So I am writing h1 tag. Already we have learned about all these elements. Header element. I am closing this h1 tag, and next I am going to write p tag. Here I am going to write a content of p tag. I am closing p tag here, and these two tags I have written. So whatever internal CSS style we are going to declare in the program, that we have to write inside the head tag. Already we have learned about all these CSS styles in a previous video. Next, how I need to declare it? First, style tag, and here I'm going to close the style tag, and here I am going to declare star, and whatever attributes you are declaring for the element, that you have to write inside the curly braces. And here I am going to write attribute for these universal selectors. Here I am going to write color, and next color I am going to apply blue for the text, and next background color I am going to apply yellow. These two CSS styles I am going to apply for all HTML elements. The same CSS style should be applied. Now I am going to save this program, and already I have run this program here. Now I am going to refresh it. Here you can see here what I have done. Star I have used. Star means it will apply for body tag also. So h1 tag and p tag, for all it will apply. I hope you all understood what is universal selector and how to use universal selector. And thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. In the next video I will show different CSS selector.